What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, but as you can see, I'm out here by my pool, and you may notice that it's kind of cloudy. And I've had a hard time keeping my chlorine levels up. So today, we're going to install something hopefully that will take care of that. So like most people, we've had a little floaty in there, and it's a cute little ducky, but it's just not doing the trick when it comes to chlorine. So we're going to get rid of that. And today we're going to be installing the Hayward C100. It's an inline chlorinator. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is come around to our sand filter. We're going to disconnect your hose. I laid that up there, that way I didn't lose too much water. The chlorinator itself doesn't come with any piping, so we did have to run up to our pool supply store, and they have this double threaded piece here. So all you're going to do, once you get that there, get your little Teflon tape. We'll wrap that up really good. You're going to thread this pipe into your filter. Put some Teflon tape on this side too, and we should be able to tighten our chlorinator up to it. Once you finally get this chlorinator threaded on, you should be able to take your hose and connect it to the end here. Oh, baby. Now I'm gonna do a quick leak check, and then we'll add some chlorine. Okay, so in the last clip I said I'm gonna leak check it, and then we'll be good to go. And I realized today, because today's my pool day, so today's the day I do my chemicals, that I have not finished this video. So I figured I'd jump on here today and show you what happened. Basically, the install I thought was gonna be quick and easy, and it wasn't bad. And if you had a different pipe system, you could probably pipe it further out. But see how close this pipe system is. When you go to rotate it to thread it on, you're hitting your tank. So what I ended up having to do is take my top off. But when I did that, I pulled it all apart, and I couldn't get the neck to go back into the sand. So then I had to change out all the sand, and it really became a bigger job, so I kind of just quit filming. But we've been using it for a few weeks, and I do like this system. I have the pump cut off right now. You got a dial on here so you can determine how much you want to put in. I mean, as far as the flow rate. So you just got a click dial. Right now I have that cut off. You can take my cap off, and you can pretty much drop full-size tablets down in there. I think you can fit 5 or 6, but today's my chemical day, so I usually only put 3 a week. So you just open it in, you can drop a tablet. I know I'm touching a chlorine tablet, God forbid. And you drop it right down in there. But other than that, I mean, the install sucked for me. Like I said, if you had a different pipe, probably better. But as far as it keeping the water clear, it has done a pretty good job. And I'm not having to worry about the little floater, so I just do 3 a week. I guess if I was going out of town, I'd probably fill it up. Like I said, you could still fit several more in there, but lid just threads right on. Then you just turn it up. It's kind of getting cooler, so I'm not running on full. During the summertime I run on full, but right now I've been running on 3/4, which is probably still overkill considering we're not even using the pool anymore. But cut it back on. Make sure she's good and snug. And that's your chlorinator.